One of my favorite things about arranging is using some of the landscaping items from in the yard. When I plant specific items in the yard, I think about cutting them and using them alone in my arrangements. So this morning I went out to look for different things. I got some grasses. I also got a piece of a tree. I like bringing the outside indoors. It's very unexpected. So let's make one of those large-scale arrangements using this variegated grass and this beautiful amethyst container. My first step is to go through and clean up my stems, removing any broken leaves at the bottom or any that are dying. It's a little like deadheading, and it's kind of enjoyable work. Now we've got a nice big bunch. And we'll cut it and drop it down in the vase. So now I've got a big arrangement. And I've also got a couple other big vases that can go in the house. We'll arrange those in the place where I'm going to have them displayed.